Good morning, students. In earlier class, we discussed regarding about the concepts of linkage and recombination. So, what is linkage? The linkage means the tendency of two genes or more genes presented on the same chromosome. And whenever at the time of gamete formation, both the genes are reaches into the single gamete. So those genes are not going to be separated. Those are called linked genes. That phenomena is called linkage, right? Okay. So here in linkage, two concepts we discussed. One is weak linkage and another one is strong linkage, or one is tight linkage and another one loose linkage. The genes are presented closely, that is tight linkage. The genes are presented on the chromosome distantly, that is called as loose linkage, right? So who proposed this concept? So linkage and recombination is the deviation concepts from the Mendel, right? And who proposed? So Batson and Punnett proposed in sweet pea plant, and Thomas Hunt Morgan proposed in Drosophila, right? Okay. So what Thomas Hunt Morgan, what type of the experiment had done in Drosophila regarding about linkage? So based on that, what is he proposed? There is different types of the concepts regarding about linkage. In this class, we are going to discuss. So let us start. So here Morgan's dihybrid cross in Drosophila. So Thomas Hunt Morgan, T.H. Morgan selected which animal? Drosophila melanogaster, fruit fly, right? So Morgan carried out several dihybrid crosses in Drosophila to study genes that were X-linked. The Morgan carried out several dihybrid crosses in Drosophila to study genes that were X-linked. X-linked means sex chromosome, X chromosome. So in Drosophila also, as like human, females XX and males XY, right? So whatever he had studied, there is different types of dihybrid crosses in Drosophila. Those genes are X-linked, X chromosome based. The genes are presented on X chromosome. The crosses were similar to the dihybrid crosses carried out by Mendel in peas. Whatever the Morgan experiments, similar to the Mendel experiments, but result are different. You should remember important point. Whatever recombination and linkage, these are all concepts, deviation from Mendel, but as like similar Mendel experiments, Morgan also done. There is different two types of the traits he had selected and crossed the two traits, and F1 and F2 generation received, right? So the crosses were similar to the dihybrid crosses carried out by Mendel in peas, right? That is important point here. And next one. So he crossed two different types of the crosses, cross A and cross B, and means two experiments. Cross A one experiment and two cross B is another experiment. So in cross A, what he had did in cross A. See, before going that, you should remember, you should know this concept. What he had selected? Drosophila. So Drosophila, what traits, what type of the characters he considered? Body color, eye color, wings size. So what characters he considered? Drosophila, body color, external body color, eye color, eyeball color, and the size of the wings. These three characters he had selected and done the dihybrid crosses experiment. Body color, eye color, wings size. So in the body color, there is two different types of the traits. One is dominant, another one recessive. Eye color also, one is dominant, another one recessive. wings size also. One is dominant, another one is recessive. When he came to know one is dominant and another one recessive after done the experiments, right? For your understanding, we are discussing here body color is two different types of the colors, dominant and recessive. Dominant is brown body, brown color body is dominant, and yellow color body is recessive. So eye color, the eyeball, red eye color is dominant, white eyeball is recessive. Red eye is dominant, white eye is recessive. And wings size, normal wings size is dominant, miniature means small wings size is recessive. So how many characters he consider? 3. What are they? Body color, eye color, wing size. Body color is what? Two different types of the body colors, dominant, recessive. Eye color, dominant, recessive. Wing size, dominant, recessive. Body color, brown body, dominant, yellow body, recessive. Eye color, red eye, dominant, white eye, recessive. Wings size, normal, dominant, miniature is recessive. Now you got it. So Mendel, as per the Mendel dihybrid crosses, Morgan also done, but whatever the results are different, right? As like Mendel experiments only Morgan done. So here Morgan has taken two different types of the crosses, cross A in cross B, right? Three different types of the characters. In cross A, what he had did? Cross A, Thomas Hunt Morgan crossed yellow bodied. So here one more point, brown body Y plus, red eye W plus, normal M plus. Plus means dominant. Yellow body recessive, Y only, white body, white eye W and miniature M. Plus is presented, that is dominant, plus is not there, that is recessive. You can remember, right? Brown body Y plus, red eye W plus, normal M plus, and here yellow body Y, white eye W and miniature M. Got it? Right. So plus symbol is indicates what? Plus symbol is indicates dominant. So in cross A, what he had did? In cross A, he crossed yellow bodied and white eyed female. Yellow body, white eyed. Yellow body, white eyed means recessive female with brown body, red eyed. Brown body, red eyed. Brown body, red eyed means, brown body, red eyed male means what? Dominant or recessive? Dominant. Yellow body, white eyed female, recessive. Brown body and red eyed, that is red eyed male is recessive, is dominant. So yellow body, white eyed female is recessive. Okay, right. He crossed one dominant with one recessive. So what he got in F1 generation? He got F1 generation in the form of brown body, red eyed, female. Here sexes are changed. You got it or not? Sex only changed, but whatever the characters are not changed. You should remember. Brown body, red eyed male he taken in as a parent, but whenever he got in F1 generation, brown body, red eyed female, and yellow body, white eyed male. Yellow body, white eyed male he got, but he taken female. Understood or not? So why sexes only changed? Because these these such type of the genes are presented on sex chromosome, so that only sexes changed here. Characters or traits are not changed. But what about F2 generation? He intercrossed the F1 hybrids and obtained F2 generation. He intercrossed the F1 hybrids and obtained F2 generation. The phenotypic ratio of F2 generation is deviated significantly from F2 phenotype ratio of Mendel's dihybrid cross in peas.